to News First. The dispute over the airport concession contract continued in court today, this time before a third judge. In this particular case, DFS is seeking FOIA documents related to an airport board meeting. Here's more. Numerous cases, dozens of motions, hundreds of thousands of pages of documents, years of litigation, and 3 judges, all a part of the same parties stemming from a single dispute. It's a convoluted case, but the matter before Judge Anita Sokola today was simple enough. At least that's what DFS is arguing. DFS was the losing bidder for a lucrative airport concession contract and protested the RFP that was awarded to Lotte Duty Free. DFS alleged that airport officials were bribed by Lotte executives during the procurement. In this case, DFS is asking the court to order the airport authority to turn over documents related to a number of meetings that happened among board members back in 2013. DFS legal counsel attorney Pat Seville says that on March 28 of 2013, the topic of assigning random letters to bidders was discussed during a board meeting, but because board members wanted to consult with their legal counsel before deciding on the matter, they tabled the discussion. The board then reconvened for session on April 12th, during which, according to Seville, a decision on letter designation was made without any discussion. DFS believes that airport board members had, quote, backdoor meetings in between those 2 board meetings. During what he called backdoor meetings, Seville says matters were discussed without any notice to the public, without any quorum, and without transcripts, records, or minutes. Quote, the airport knows that what they did was not correct, end quote. But Airport Authority legal counsel attorney Genevieve Rapadas says the information DFS seeks is protected by attorney-client privilege and therefore exempt from the open government law. Rapadas says there may be legal strategy decisions within those documents DFS seeks, which are protected. Furthermore, she points out that DFS has no evidence that such backdoor meetings occurred. With now a third judge involved in the DFS Lotte Airport matter, Rapadas argues that the only reason this particular motion is before Judge Sokola is because DFS hasn't been able to get it from Judge Arthur Borsinas or Judge Michael Bordelio. The cases should be consolidated, says Rapadas, as having similar matters before multiple judges could generate conflicting decisions. The documents are under seal, but DFS argues that the airport authority only asked for the documents to be sealed after DFS sought them. Judge Sokola took the motion for summary judgment under advisement.